Hello, if you haven't heard the news yet, we are switching from Team Unify to Commit Swimming for our team website host. Couple reasons on there, just to get it started real quick. One, coaches have already been using it to type out our workouts. It tracks everything online. It gives us a bunch of metrics that we can track. Number two, by doing this, it'll house all of our information into one area. So whether it's the workout performance area or the team website, we're in one spot. And then probably the biggest reason ultimately is it seems to be a little bit more user-friendly for our membership. And it still is going to look a lot like Team Unify, but like I said, it's going to be more user-friendly. So to get us started today, we need to build our database. And to get that done, I've already moved all the swimmers over, so their information is in here, starting to get their meet results in, so we're starting to build all that up. But the big part is the parents' emails and contact information and login information. Another reason why Commit is so good when we do this, each parent can have their own login information, or versus Team Unify, where we had just one parent login. So what's ultimately going to happen is I'm going to send an email or an invitation from Commit Swimming. Please do not delete that email. Open that up. Takes 2 minutes, maybe 3, to create your password to log in. Once you're logged in, if you want to add another login email, you're going to go to this commitswimming.com, go to sign in. You want to go to parent sign in. So we're on my, oops. I need to switch my roles real quick. I need to go to parent. This is the parent dashboard that every parent's going to see from now on. I already think it's a lot easier to see. It's a lot easier to get around, in my opinion. So how to add that other login, what you're going to do is select your swimmer's name. You want to go to Manage. And then you can see here my wife and I are already connected to our daughter's account. But to add that other parent, you need to click Add Parent. Just fill in each box, their first name, last name, email, phone. Select Create. Once that's created, let me or one of the coaches know, and we can go in and then approve or send an invitation essentially to that email address, and then that will connect. So what that does is it allows them to receive all the emails, but it also gives them the opportunity to log in. And like I said, when you're at the dashboard, this is your parent dashboard. Even if you sign in under a different email, so we're going to sign in here underneath my wife's account. It's the exact same screen. She would have the exact same information there. So this is, like I said, there are parts where I think this is simpler, it's a little more streamlined. But this is what we need to focus on right now to get this database built up, get everything going, because once fall registration hits in September, everything's going to be through Commit. We're no longer going to be with Team Unify at the end of July. Please get around in here, kind of explore with some settings, what you see, what you don't see, and then we'll go from there. And then also, I'll be creating a video series kind of walking us through the different parts of the website and where to find, whether it's for meets or our practice metrics, what that looks like. Thank you.